In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export NotebookLM flashcards. If you've built a set of flashcards inside NotebookLM and want to study them elsewhere or share them with a teammate, exporting them is quick and straightforward. We'll start from a fresh browser window, get into NotebookLM through the official page, head to your notebook and download the flashcard set directly to your computer with just a couple of clicks. Begin by opening your browser and searching for NotebookLM. On the results page, look for the official Google NotebookLM result labeled along the lines of Google NotebookLM Sir AI Research Tool and Thinking Partner. Click that to go to the product page. From there, select Try NotebookLM. This takes you into the app where your notebooks live. Using the official link ensures you're in the right place with the most up-to-date interface, which helps the next steps look exactly as shown. Once you're inside NotebookLM, open the notebook that contains the flashcards you want to export. You'll see the notebook's main view with its sources, notes, and tools. Double check that you're opening the correct notebook, especially if you maintain several projects, so you export the right set. Inside the notebook, look along the navigation for the flashcards section. This is where NotebookLM groups the study cards it generated from your materials, making them easy to review in one spot. Click flashcards to bring up the set. Take a quick moment to skim the cards and confirm it's the collection you intend to download. When you're ready, open the flashcard set, then look for the three-dot menu, usually near the top of the set or alongside the set title. Click that menu and choose Download Set. NotebookLM will package your flashcards and save them as a file on your device. Depending on your browser settings, the file will land in your default Downloads folder, or you may be prompted to choose a save location. For easy organization later, consider renaming the file right after it finishes downloading. That's all there is to it. You searched for NotebookLM, entered via the official page, opened your existing notebook, navigated to flashcards, and used the three-dot menu to download the set. If you don't immediately see the file, check your browser's recent downloads or your system's downloads folder. Also verify you were in the correct notebook if the exported set doesn't match what you expected. With your flashcards exported, you're ready to review them on the go, share them with collaborators, or keep a reliable backup for your study workflow.